Are these supposed to give Zion like some type of Crash Bandicoot powers? Boogada boogada. The Zion 2 Voodoo edition, the Voodoo colorway box itself. The box is super dope. This sleeve that goes around the box, I guess you could call this sleeve. It's kind of like a banner, a slip-off banner. Do not enter. And then just the customization that they put on top of the box, the outside of the box, and the color of the box to match the sneakers. All the different type of designs on here. It reminds me a lot of the Sam character, or like that little boy that was in the Us movie. There's just so many colors going on here, different type of canvas color. Got like some type of green, off gray color, this light brown. Just the vibes of this shoe, relating it back to the New Orleans, the Voodoo. These definitely have that Patchwork 3 vibes. Not only is Zion doing this shoe and this, check out these Nike Dunks in this photo that he's also going to be releasing here soon. Doesn't this tongue remind you of like the Chewbacca shoe that I did? The feel of the texture is a little bit different. It's like a short haired texture. It actually feels pretty smooth. Have the Zion logo on the top of the tongue. It's also down the outsole as well. That looks really cool. One of the dopest features of this shoe, it comes with 4 sets of laces, 3 extra laces. Darker brown color that is stocked onto the shoe, lighter peach looking color, lighter brown color, and a lime green color, which is nowhere on the shoe at all. That green does not match anything, so that's really vibrant. It reminds me of the Bayou Boy 1 Zoom CMFT. I just love this suede material with this canvas material. You can see this dark brown color is like suede, and you got that strap across the front, Zoom Air. Then you have the Voodoo on the inside of the strap. Got some thick padding here around the ankles for good cushioning and support line. And on the back, you have the Air Strobel. And look at the back of the sneaker. The back is really cool with these little logos that they have of, what do you want to call it? Like the potato sack face. That's what I want to call it. How they put the little button as one of the eye. Theme of Voodoo to be viewed as like a Halloween shoe. Not Halloween yet, but I do love these vibes. It just screams out fall. The price point was at $120, so I think that's a fair deal for this shoe, especially since it comes with so many sets of laces. Stay up to date. A fan of Zion because he went to Duke. And speaking of Duke players, check out this video about Kyrie Irving. Peace and love.